Hi, welcome to my Sunday reset video. My name is Adrian. If you're new, I'm your new fit bestie. So go ahead and subscribe if you love fitness, wellness, and a lifestyle. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So I'm starting my Sunday with a hot shower before I start cleaning. I have to clean when I first wake up in the morning because that's when I have the most energy. And there is nothing like starting your week with a clean space. First tip that I have is to get up and get it done. I know it sounds or it's easier to say than actually to do it. I don't know the freaking quote, but you get the gist. It is harder, especially on a Sunday, to just get up, but I promise you will love yourself for it. Just get your chores out of the way so that way you have more time on your beautiful Sunday to spend time with yourself, your family members, your significant other. So yeah, get up and get it done, girl. Hey y'all, so it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. And in the beginning of the vlog, you seen that I was cleaning up and I just decided to take a quick break. And we're just doing a lazy Sunday reset day. And honestly, this came on the perfect day, perfect time. Go to the grocery store. So we'll probably do that once it stops raining, if it ever stops raining. We'll just do the rest of our Sunday reset stuff. So, you know, I just love Sundays just to kind of like get myself together for the week. So I still have a lot of cleaning to do. Yo, oh my God, it's been thunderstorming all week. I watch the Lofi Girl. If you don't know, I'm putting you on. She is a vibe. Just turn it on when you're cleaning or you want to relax and you just want to like zen out or study. Listen to it. So one of the amazing tips that I'm going to share with you, you may already know it, but one of the tips that I took from my mom was to make a grocery list. So figure out what you want to eat for the week and then make a list, so that way you don't go into the grocery store looking crazy and then you walk out of there spending $200. I mean, nowadays it's easy to spend $200 in a grocery store, but you want to make a list so that way you just are prepared and you have meals in your pantry, in your fridge, that you can make. Alright, you guys, errands are ran and back in time because it's raining. Okay, I went and I found some matcha. I have been getting this iced matcha latte with lavender syrup, and so I got this matcha from a Japanese store. So if you don't know, to get it cheaper, just go to a Japanese store. This is like 100% pure, like pure grade matcha. And then I went to an herb store and got some lavender to make some lavender syrup. I just finished my nails and they look so good. So before I hop in the shower, I'm going to do my hair, and then we're gonna do skincare because I really haven't washed my face. I know it sounds horrible, but I haven't really washed my face since Saturday. So I just want to do like a really good skincare. take a hot shower and then go to bed. Another tip for you guys is to prep for your week. I notice a big difference when I remember to do this. I feel a difference for the next day. I feel a difference in my week. I have less anxiety. So I love prepping my lunches and having them ready to go, but sometimes I like to take it a step further and prep my work attire and my gym clothes. I promise you, you will feel the difference in the morning. So my last tip on this video is to plan. So get you a planner. If you have an iPad, use a digital planner, but plan your week out. See what appointments you have set up. If you're an entrepreneur, plan out the things that you have going on. Plan out your workouts. Plan so you can have a successful week. Yes, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you loved this content, give me a like. Also, comment down below what is your favorite part of your Sunday reset routine, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.